Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. Today I am going to share you how to prepare restaurant style paper masala dosa, and I will be showing you the dosa batter preparation as same as restaurant style. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. For preparing dosa batter, first I am going to soak few ingredients. For that, first I am adding dosa rice. You can see I will prepare dosa always in this dosa rice only. This you will get it in all supermarkets and all. Today I am using 2 cups of dosa rice. In this cup I have taken 2 cups of dosa rice. To get the perfect texture as restaurant style, we need to use this dosa rice only. For another bowl, I am adding 3 spoons of chana dal. See, take measurement in the same cup. In the same cup, I am taking half cup of urad dal. Now I am adding just half spoon of methi. And here I have taken half cup of thick poha. Follow the same measurement so that you will get perfect restaurant style dosa. Once again, I will show you. And that too crispy masala dosa. 2 cups of dosa rice. This is not the store rice, this is dosa rice. And then 3 spoons of chana dal, half cup of urad dal and half spoon of methi. And here half cup of thick poha. And afternoon we need to wash it well, very well we need to wash this so that we will get crispy texture. And then I am going to soak it in water, and evening I am going to show you the grinding procedure. Now it's evening, strain the water of soaked urad dal, chana dal and methi, and after straining the water, transfer it to mixer jar. And along with that, add soaked thick poha. Now I am adding water and I will make a fine paste. Now you can see I have done a fine paste, and after doing the paste I am transferring it to big bowl. And for the same mixer jar I am adding soaked rice. Now I am adding little water and I will make fine paste of this also. Now after grinding rice I am transferring it to same bowl. Today I am not showing how to do the batter fermentation. If you want, I have uploaded many videos regarding batter fermentation, you can check it out. Now I am mixing this. As it is summer, batter will ferment very well. After mixing, I will close one plate and I will allow it to ferment for overnight. And tomorrow morning, I will show how the batter is fermented. Now you can see in the morning, the batter is fermented very well. You can see the bubbles also. Now how much I require for my dosa, for my morning breakfast, I am taking it to separate bowl. I am transferring it to separate bowl. And now I am adding sugar. This is because it gives restaurant style crispy texture and color also. Around 2 spoons of sugar I have used today. Now I have taken here one more bowl. For that I am adding rice flour. Today I am using 2 spoons of rice flour. As the batter is fermented very well, the dosa will come very soft. If you want to get crispy dosa like my masala dosa, you need to mix little rice flour. I am mixing the rice flour with water. If you want soft dosa, no need to mix this. If you want crispy texture, you need to mix this rice flour. Now you can see the rice flour batter consistency. Now along with sugar I am mixing the rice flour. Mix it well. Now allow it to rest for around 5 to 10 minutes so that sugar will dissolve. Now at the time of preparing dosa I am adding salt for taste. And now I mix it well so that the dosa batter will be ready. Now you can see dosa tawa is also already heated. Pour some water and wipe it with a dry cloth. There should be no oil content on tawa. Once it is wiped, I am transferring the prepared dosa batter. If you want butter, you can use butter also. Today I am using oil. You can see the bubbles. If the batter is fermented well, you will get the bubbles like this. Now I am adding oil. Now I will be applying red chutney. The recipe of red chutney I have uploaded in my previous video. You can check it out. And today I am not sharing the recipe of potato palya. I have shared it many times. That also you can check it out in my videos. I have created a playlist as dosa. You can check for other recipes of dosa. And if you don't want red chutney, you can skip. As we are preparing restaurant style masala dosa, we need to apply red chutney. Now I will be placing potato palya. Now you can see dosa has been turned to golden brown in color. Now I am going to fold. You can fold it half or you can roll it. However you want, you can do that. Now dosa is ready. I will show you one more dosa. After each and every dosa, you need to pour some water and you need to wipe it like this. Now I am transferring the prepared dosa batter. Now I am adding oil. See, you can see here already color is changing. At this stage you can apply red chutney. You can see here color is changed. Now I have kept potato palya. Many were asking me which type of tawa I was using. This is not any branded tawa. This is somewhat local tawa only. In all types of tawa you will get this restaurant style dosa. Now you can see this is also ready. Now you can see restaurant style masala dosa is ready along with coconut chutney. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.